Yummy, wanna risk it all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Coachella inspired makeup look. So if you want to see this look, keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Master Primer, and we're just going to put that all over my face and spread it evenly throughout my face. And yes, I know Coachella is about to end, but I still want to give you guys a festival look or even a fun one. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lip with the Smith R Lip Balm. Next, we're going to go into these brows using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown to outline my brows until its natural shape. I was just so amazed how I slayed my brows, but now we're going to do the other brow and fill it in till its natural shape as well too. After filling in my brows, I'm going to use the ABH Contour Cream Kit to conceal my brows using the shade Cinnamon. Now that I have concealed around my brows, I'm going to go in with a Real Technique Beauty Blender to blend out the concealer. Now that I have blended out the concealer, let's get into these eyes, honey. We're using the NYX white eyeshadow base to blend out evenly on my eyelids. That I have blended out the white eyeshadow base, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set the eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe's Copper Spice palette, and I'm going to use that light brown shade in the second row, second column to blend it out. After blending it out, we're going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette using that green in the first row in the fifth column, and we're going to blend that out right on top of that brown shade that we had used. After doing that, we're going to keep adding on that light green to give it a reverse ombre effect. After blending out that lighter green, we're going to go in with a slight darker green that's in the third row, fifth column, and we're going to blend that out in our crease. If we have blended out that shade of green, we're going to go in with the ABH Sculpt palette using the shade Untamed to deepen the crease. I have deepened my crease, I'm going to go back in with the Take Me Back Brazil palette to smudge out my lower lash line with that medium green. Now I'm going to add the NYX white eyeshadow base to the center of my eye. The next two shades I'm going to use is Electric and Cube from the ABH Sculpt palette, and I'm going to apply it to the eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to go back in with Untamed to deepen my crease again. I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner to apply a wing eyeliner to this eye. Next, I'm going to clean up any mistakes I've made, and then I'm going to add Electric in the inner corners of my eyes and Cube to my brow bone. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420 all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Blending out my foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Cocoa. And I'm going to put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. I'm going to blend that out with the Real Technique Beauty Blender. After doing that, I'm going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to blend that out with a Real Technique Beauty Blender. Give it a like if you're enjoying this video so far. Blending out my concealer, I'm going to go in with the ABH contour palette. I'm going to use the shade Chocolate to contour my nose. Then I'm going to go in using the black opal to set under my eyes, on my chin, and my cupid's bow, and then I'm going to set my nose as well. Then I'm going to dust off the excess powder off my nose and face. I'm going to contour my face with the APH cream contour palette in the shade Ash Brown, and then I'm going to set under my contour with the black opal, and then I'm going to set my contour with the BH Cosmetic palette, and then I'm going to dust away any of that excess powder. Now I'm going to take off that lip balm I had on earlier and apply the Revlon Super Luxurious Lipstick in the shade Mink. Next I'm going to highlight my face with the shade Cube from the ABH Scope palette. Next I'm going to apply the Kiss lashes in the style Bezier, and then I'm going to apply my Maybelline The Falsies mascara on top of my lashes. And lastly but least, I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Hey guys, it looks like we're at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so that you can see every time I post my videos. And see you in the next video. Bye.